Go to Windows search bar, type cmd, right click run as administrator, type power cfg space -h space off and press enter. Now go to Windows search bar again, type edit power plan, click and open it, click on change advanced power settings, expand power saving mode, make it to maximum power saving, apply, click on apply, click on OK. Go to Windows search bar, type check for updates, click and open it, click on check for update and update it if any updates available. Now go to Windows search bar again, type device manager, click and open it, expand display adapters, right click on NVIDIA and click on update, click on search automatically for driver. You can also update it from NVIDIA app. Click on NVIDIA app, open it, click on driver, and click on check for updates. That's it. Thanks for watching.